If you are planning to move your website to a new hosting provider, one of the most important steps is transferring your domain name. Today, I am going to walk you through how to transfer your domain from Siteground to Hostinger. The process is simpler than you might think, and by the end of this video, you will know exactly what to do and what to expect along the way. To begin, head over to the Siteground website. Once you are on their homepage, look for the login button in the top right corner. Go ahead and click it, then enter your account details to access your dashboard. After logging in, you should land on the main account area. From here, navigate to the section labeled My Siteground Account. This page gives you an overview of all your active services, including hosting plans and domain names. Take a moment to make sure you are in the correct account if you manage multiple websites. Next, you will want to shift your focus to the Services menu within this area. Choose the Domains tab. This is where all your domain-related settings are grouped together, making it the central place for everything you need in this transfer process. Once you are inside the Domain section, look for the Transfer tab. Selecting this will show you the domain transfer options. Here, you should see an option that says Transfer your domain name. Click on it to start preparing your domain for transfer. Before you leave Siteground to complete the transfer on Hostinger, there are a couple of important steps to take. First, check that all your domain contact details and registrant information are correct and up to date. Having outdated information can slow down or even block the transfer. Siteground will also require you to unlock your domain. Domains are usually locked by default for security reasons, so make sure to switch it to unlocked. Right after that, you will need the authorization code, often called the EPP code. This code is essential because you will need it later inside your Hostinger account. Siteground typically sends this code to the email address associated with your domain, so keep an eye on your inbox. Once you have the EPP code, you are ready to move over to Hostinger Log into your Hostinger control panel and look for the domain transfer option. Hostinger will guide you through their simple transfer process. You will enter the domain name you want to transfer and then paste the EPP code you received from Siteground. After you confirm the details, you can initiate the transfer. At this point, the process officially begins. Domain transfers usually take a few days to complete. This time frame is normal, so do not worry if it does not finish instantly. Just allow the transfer to work in the background. And that is all it takes. With just a handful of steps, you can successfully transfer your domain from Siteground to Hostinger. If you run into any issues or something does not look right, both companies offer customer support and are usually very quick to help. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide made your transfer process easier and stress-free. If you found this helpful, feel free to check out more tutorials, and I will see you in the next video.